Welcome to Quiz Factory. Football versus cricket. Can you predict who is more popular? Let's start. Who is more popular? Cristiano Ronaldo, 56%, Virat Kohli, 44%. Who has more fans? Lionel Messi, 57%, MS Dhoni, 43%. Who is more famous? Kylian Mbappe, 54%, Babar Azam, 46%. Who is the bigger superstar? Neymar Jr., 53%, Ben Stokes, 47%. Who has the biggest fan base? Erling Haaland, 52%, Joe Root, 48%. Who is more loved? Lamine Yamal, 54%, Joss Butler, 46%. Who is more iconic? Mohamed Salah, 53%, Steve Smith, 47%. Who rules the sports world? Jude Bellingham, 52%, Pat Cummins, 48%. Who is more popular worldwide? Vinicius Jr., 53%, Kane Williamson, 47%. Who is the greater legend? Kevin De Bruyne, 51%, AB de Villiers, 49%. Who has more global fans? Harry Kane, 52%, Rohit Sharma, 48%. Who is more successful? Robert Lewandowski, 51%, Keen Shah Afridi, 49%. Who is the bigger champion? Rodri, 50%, Jaspert Bumrah, 50%. Who is more influential? Pedri, 49%, Mohamed Rizwan, 51%. Who is the better sports icon? Bukayo Saka, 49%, Shubman Gill, 51%. Who has more crazy fans? Jamal Musiala, 48%, Rashid Khan, 52%. Who is the most loved athlete? Julian Alvarez, 49%, Hardik Pandya, 51%. Who has the bigger legacy? Lautaro Martinez, 48%, Fakar Zaman, 52%. Who is the fan favorite? Federico Valverde, 50%, Mitchell Stark, 50%. Who has more worldwide support? Akraf Hakimi, 49%, Mohamed Amir, 51%. Who is more recognizable? Phil Foden, 49%, Suryakumar Yadav, 51%. Who is the bigger sports star? Martin Odegaard, 48%, Ravindra Jadeja, 52%. Who is more celebrated? Bruno Fernandes, 50%, KL Rahul, 50%. Who has the stronger fan base? Ruben Dias, 49%, Mohamed Shami. Who is more respected? Bernardo Silva 49%, Yuvraj Singh 51%. Who is the ultimate sports hero? Sun Heung-min 52% slash. Haris Ralph 48%. Who has more international fans? Alphonso Davies 49%, Marnus Labuschak 51%. Who is the greater player? Kvicha Kvaratskhelia 48%, Rishabh Pant 52%. Who is more trending? Victor Osimhen 50%, Adam Zampa 50%. Who is the bigger celebrity? Florian Wirtz 49%, Trent. Who has the most loyal fans? Antoine Griezmann 50%, David Warner 50%. Who is more popular today? Ousmane Dembele 49%, Glenn Maxwell 51%. Who is the sports king? Declan Rice 48%, Travis Head 52%. Who has the bigger impact? Cole Palmer 49%, Kagiso Rabada 51%. Who is more dominant? Josko Gvardiol 50%, Anrich Norch 50%. Who is the people's choice? Ronald Araujo 49%, Quinton de Kock 51%. Who is more admired? Ederson 48%, Rakin Ravindra 52%. Who has more star power? Emiliano Martinez 50%, Tilak Verma 50%. Who is the bigger name? Marcus Rashford 51%, Iftikhar Ahmed 49%. Who is more unstoppable? Rafael Leao 49%, Nassim Shah 51%. Who is the greatest sports star? Leroy Sane 50%, Azam Khan 50%. Who has more supporters? Davey 48%, Imam Haq 52%. Who is more talked about? Nico Williams 51%, Kuldeep Yadav 49%. Who is the bigger winner? Danny Olmo 49%, Aksa Patel 51%. Who is more popular right now? Kai Havertz 50%, Mohamed Siraj 50%. Who is the most famous athlete? Joao Felix 49%, Aiden Markram 51%. Who has the bigger reputation? Dominic Soboslai 50%, Devin Conway 50%. Who is the ultimate legend? Alexis Mack Alistair 51%, Mathisha Patharana 49%. Who is more legendary? Alvaro Morata 49%, Mustafizer Rahman 51%. Who wins the popularity battle? Christian Romero 50%, Juanindu Hazaranga 50%.